What is the Assisi loop? The Assisi loop is a non-invasive, non-pharmaceutical healing device for animals. The loop uses low-level pulses of energy, known as Targeted Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy, TPEMF, to reduce pain and swelling and accelerate healing. The technology is based on the same FDA-cleared treatment for humans. What does the loop treat? The loop offers innovative treatment for inflammation and pain. It is effective for a number of issues, including orthopedic injuries, degenerative disorders, neurological issues, wound care, post-surgical pain and swelling, and other inflammatory issues. The benefits of TPEMF? Increased blood flow, enhanced muscle function, bone healing, blood oxygenation, decreased inflammation, and accelerated recovery from surgery or trauma. I've had such great feedback from clients who will do anything to increase the comfort and quality of life of their pets. I have many clients who started using the loop as part of an integrative, multimodal approach to pain management and have returned time and time again for additional loops because it makes such a difference to their pet's quality of life. Dr. Stephanie Medcroft.
If I have a patient with a diagnosis of something more than pain, osteoarthritis, non-healed fracture, post-op cruciate ligament, post-op hip replacement, IVDD, I recommend the loop. I talk to families very frankly, letting them know that it's non-invasive and that there are no side effects. Two things I cannot say about drugs. There's a good amount of human literature that supports the technology behind it. I talk with them about the convenience, because you can't get any more convenient than something you can do in your own home. I think every pet owner should have one, provided they can learn how and where to use it.
Dr. Erin Troy. Learn more. We're on the internet at www.assisianimalhealth.com. The Assisi Loop. Proven science. Positive results. Are your animals in pain? Reducing inflammation is a critical first step in the treatment and often the gateway to healing. Assisi Animal Health offers a tool for managing inflammation, the Assisi Loop. What is the Assisi Loop? The Assisi Loop is a non-invasive, non-pharmaceutical healing device for animals. The loop uses low-level pulses of energy, known as Targeted Pulsed Electromagnetic Field Therapy, TPEMF, to reduce pain and swelling and accelerate healing. The technology is based on the same FDA-cleared treatment for humans. What does the loop treat? The loop offers innovative treatment for inflammation and pain. It is effective for a number of issues, including orthopedic injuries, degenerative disorders, neurological issues, wound care, post-surgical pain and swelling, and other inflammatory issues. Assisi Loop treatment field. The treatment depth is about 2/3 the diameter of the applicator, extending out on either side. In this 7.5-inch applicator, treatment volume is about 7 inches across and 4 to 5 inches on either side. The treatment is non-invasive and treats over and through dressings, vet wrap, or casts. For arthritis pain on the knee, simply place the leg through the loop. For a hip dysplasia, place the loop over both hips if the animal is small, or each hip if the animal is large. For back pain, place the loop over the area that is most affected on the spine. For neck issues, you can place the loop over the animal's head. How to use the loop. Place the Assisi Loop over the area that you want to treat. If the animal or the appendage allows it, place the body or appendage through the loop for maximum effectiveness. Applicator etiquette. Keeping the applicator as circular as possible provides the best field of treatment. Bending or elongating the applicator too much will hinder effectiveness. Pet owner comment.
We are really blessed to have the Assisi Loop for our dog Millie. During the acute phase of her arthritic episode, we took turns looping all of her extremities, and within 10 days, she was not only walking and doing stairs again, but able to get in a few short runs with her favorite ball in our backyard. She sleeps during her treatments as she finds it so enjoyable. Since then, we use the loop only when we notice, particularly on rainy days, that she begins to favor one of her limbs again. Thank you, Assisi Loop people, for developing such an innovative treatment modality for pets like Millie. We recommend it to anyone who will listen.
Jane B. Learn more. We are on the internet at www.assisianimalhealth.com or contact us by email info@assisianimalhealth.com. The Assisi Loop. Proven science, positive results.
This is Kimmy, a 7.5-year-old female golden retriever. Kimmy has been actively competing in agility for about 6 years. This last fall, Kimmy had a couple of bad slips on the artificial turf surfaces that we compete on. These bad slips resulted in Kimmy having a right shoulder injury, where she had difficulty putting weight on her right front leg. Kimmy's vet said that her injury appeared to be muscular in nature, so we started a massage program to help her shoulder recover from the injury. At one of her agility trials, we had a massage acupressure work on Kimmy's shoulder. She suggested that given the type of injury Kimmy had, that her Assisi loop may help her recover faster from her injury. She used her loop on Kimmy's shoulder that day. When she got up from her initial treatment, I could see that she appeared to be doing better. We continued with the Assisi loop treatments at home and at each agility trial for about 3 weeks. It seemed as if every treatment she had resulted in a little better mobility in her shoulder and less compensation for the shoulder injury to other parts of her body. Today I feel she has completely recovered from her shoulder injury with help from the loop. We continue to use the loop in a more of a productive manner as suggested by Casey to prevent a reoccurrence of the shoulder injury. I would strongly recommend that any dog, whether they do agility or not, that have this type of injury, inquire about the Assisi loop from their vet.
Arali and Zuberi are born. Their brother Jelani sadly passed away in October. The cubs are moved indoors. Arali's first steps. The cubs walking and playing. The cubs' first day outside. The cubs eat whole meat for the first time. The cubs are growing larger. Arali begins to limp on his back right leg. Arali and Zuberi are diagnosed with Wobbler's disease. Assisi Animal Health donates 2 loops to help with the Wobbler's treatments. The care team sees improvements in Arali and Zuberi's condition.